So I am in Samoa, and at the airport we saw some storm players. We left Melbourne, it was sunny, then we got to Brisbane, it was rainy, and now we are in Samoa. I got that photo. I've wanted that for a while. Then we went home and we had some kokoesi, and then I got to go and look at the beautiful flowers in the garden. We ate some more food. We had sorsisi kileve, taro, balsami, and fa'i. And then we had more time in the garden, walking after breakfast with my mum, checking out what's in the land, looking at the umkuka. Yeah, morning walks with mum. Then I got picked up by my brother and we went to see my dad. I had saw Nutty with dad, then it's back to